Hello viewers, if you come across this kind of question in any setting, this is what you will do. We are given 2 power t minus 2 is equal to what? 5. This is what is a division law of what? Indices is what they apply here. So this is the same thing as what? 2 power t divide by 2 power what? Power 2 is equal to what? 5 over 1. Okay? This 2 power t minus 2 is the same thing as what? 2 power t divide by what? 2 power what? 2. And mind you that 2 power 2 means what? 4. So what this thing means now is this. When I cross multiply, we will have 2 power t equal to this 2 power 2, which is 4, multiplied by what? By 5. Meaning that 2 power t is equal to 20. Now, having known that the value of 2 power t is 20, the value of this 2 power t plus 1 will become 20 multiplied by what? By 2, which is equal to what? 40. Now, some of you may be surprised or confused on how I got 40 as the answer. Look at it. This is what they apply here is what? Multiplication law of indices, which is 2 power t multiplied by 2 power 1. So when you simplify this, you will get this, which is, when you look at this, you will observe that the bases are the same, right? You will pick one of the base and add the power t plus what? Plus 1. Have you seen it now? That is what it means. But if what we have here is division, you now know that this exponent, the index, now you are going to subtract. So the value of what we are looking for is what? 40. That is 2 power t plus 1 is equal to 40. So quickly attempt this. 3 power w minus 2 is equal to 7. Find the value of 3 power w plus 2 and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.